No, Elijah, watch and learn horse. Oh, that's what you did.
You walk and you learn.
I fly, I teach, and you learn. No, you watch and learn, and I teach and play. Okay, so here's your watch and learn lesson. This is only by me and some other people too. So, get the propeller straight and do it. That always happens the first time I try to fly it. Yeah.
I can't change it. But you're turning on my road just shake. Does that work?
So many vehicles. That's the train. It's very hard. No.